Let's solve the next problem, that is 9.15. So all these problems are using the same logic of the bulk modulus and is direct substitution, so it's very easy. You can try it out. So the next problem is 15. So determine the volume contraction of a solid cube. So volume contraction, what does that mean? So it is delta V, that is change in the volume. Okay, volume contraction means change in the volume. Okay, that is what we have to find of a solid copper cube which is 10 centimeter on an edge. So length is given as 10 centimeter of the cube length, edge of the side. When subjected to a hydraulic pressure, so delta P is given as 7 times 10 raised to 6 pascals. Right? So we have to find the volume contraction, that is delta V. So let's write the formula of bulk modulus, which is delta P change in volume divided by the original volume. Okay, I'm not using the negative sign here as well. This is just the magnitude. Okay, so delta P is given. So V is nothing but volume of the cube. Okay, as length is given, we can find the volume of the cube, and we have to find is delta V. Okay, so I'll take delta V that side. So delta V is delta P divided by K into times volume. Okay, so volume, the length is given as 1 centimeter, so I'll convert into meter. As we know, 1 centimeter is 10 raised to minus 2 meter, so 10 centimeter will be 10 times 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, so volume is nothing but cube of it, so let's plug in the values. Delta P is given as 7 into 10 raised to 6 pascals. V is 10, so I can write it directly as 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, that is 10 raised to minus 1 meter cube, because it's the volume. Okay, and bulk modulus. So bulk modulus can be known from the table. So in the table it's given bulk modulus, we have to find of copper. Okay, so bulk modulus of copper is 140 into 10 raised to 9 pascals. Okay, after calculation we will get change in volume, or the volume contraction is 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 meter cube. Okay, that's it. So let's solve the last exercise problem of the chapter, that is 9.16. How much should the pressure on a liter of water be changed to compress it by 0.10%? Okay, so we have to find the change in pressure, that is delta P. From the table we can calculate the bulk modulus of water, which is given as 2.2 into 10 raised to 9 pascals. Okay, and pressure on a liter of water is given, so initial volume is 1 liter. Okay, which can also be written as 10 raised to minus 3 SI units meter cube. Okay, and compression is given as 0.10%. Now what do they mean by compression? So we know the fractional change in volume. Okay, fractional change was given in terms of delta V by V, that is fractional change in volume. Okay, the percentage of fractional change, okay, that is delta V by V times 100% is nothing but compression. Okay, so the percentage change of fractional change in volume is compression. Okay, which is given as 0.10%. So let's substitute. So 0.10% is delta V by V times 100. Okay, when this is nothing but to show that is in percentage. Okay, so delta V by V can be written as 0.10 divided by 100. Okay, which is nothing but 10 raised to minus 1 divided by 10 raised to 2, that is 10 raised to minus 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 2, which is delta V by V is 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, it is unitless quantity. Now we know the formula bulk modulus is delta P delta V by V. I am not considering the sign here also, it's just the magnitude. So delta P is bulk modulus times delta V by V. Bulk modulus is 2.2 times 10 raised to 9 pascals into change in volume, or the volume strain is 10 raised to minus 3. So this is nothing but 2.2 into 10 raised to 6 pascals. That is delta P, or the change in pressure. Right? Easy. So that was all. So if there is any doubts related to calculation or concepts, or any doubts related to this chapter, so you can feel free to write in the comment section below. Okay? Thank you. If you are able to understand the problems explained in the video, do hit that like button and also share it with your friends. If you have any doubts related to these problems, please ask in the comment below.